Having worked in this industry for 17 and a half years and with La-Z-Boy, one of the questions that I've heard from our client, why does my La-Z-Boy make so much noise? The La-Z-Boy recliner does make noise, and it's natural. We lovingly call it the sound of comfort. First thing here is to understand, why does my La-Z-Boy make noise whenever I put the footrest down? Well, if you've had any chair other than a La-Z-Boy, it does not make noise because your only option was your footrest to come out and footrest to go down. The La-Z-Boy is completely different. La-Z-Boy has a 3-position locking footrest, 1 position, 2 position, 3rd position, and a 16-position ratchet that allows me to adjust my angle. And so that mechanism can cause the noise whenever you're coming back down. And what's happening is you have a ledge with another piece that has teeth that catch as it goes up, and those teeth are sitting on the middle ledge. And if you can imagine, there's a lot of pressure coming down on it. And so whenever we release it, you get that sound that you may have heard in your La-Z-Boy. So, what do you do about it? Well, there is a way to diminish the sound that your La-Z-Boy makes whenever you put the footrest down. One thing that we recommend is if it's on hardwoods, if you can get a small rug to put below it, of course that's going to dampen the sound. But there are also 2 other ways. When you're up and you're ready to get the footrest down, first way to dampen that sound is to put your leg to the side, slightly lift up as you put the footrest down, and that completely takes the pressure off of the mechanism as it's releasing. So again, if you have that tooth that's sitting on top of the ledge, it slightly picks it up, then it moves back and comes down. So there's really no sound. The second way to do it, most of us, whenever we go to get up out of our La-Z-Boy chair, we come forward and we put all of our pressure forward, and that's where you get that sound. So doing the opposite, keeping our weight back in the chair as we put the footrest down and down slowly also makes a difference. You'll notice that you have less noise whenever you're taking your footrest and putting it in the down position. I hope this video has been educational for you. I hope you can enjoy your La-Z-Boy for many years to come and without as much noise as you've had in the past. And remember, it's the sound of comfort. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, click the button below to subscribe. Thank you for watching.